Hello guys, welcome to Semtech Hub, and in today's video I want to show you guys how to withdraw money from your Minipay app to your crypto wallet, whether Binance or Bybit or OKS or any crypto exchange platform you have. Okay, so without wasting my time, let's open our Minipay app. Okay, so this is my Minipay app. I'll just open my Minipay and you can see I have some USDT in my account. Okay, I have some 82 USDT in my account and I want to withdraw this to my crypto wallet. Okay, I have Binance, I have OKS, I have Bybit, so I want to withdraw this from my Minipay app to my crypto wallet. So without wasting my time, you just need to click on this withdraw. Okay, so when you click on the withdraw, you just select the exchange. Okay, you can either withdraw to your local currency, and I'll do another video on that, but for now we are withdrawing to our crypto wallet. Okay, so I'll just click to exchange. So I'll select the exchange I want to withdraw the money to. So either I want to withdraw to Binance or Bitfinex or Bybit or whatever exchange I want to use. I'll just click on the one I want. So I'm withdrawing to Binance. So I'll just click on this Binance. And also we need to follow these steps to withdraw the money from the Minipay to our Binance. Okay, so first they say we should go to our Binance and tap deposit, select the USDT and choose this network called the Celo. Okay, so what you have to do is to open our Binance. So let me go to my Binance and click on the Binance. Okay, so when I click on the Binance, I'll just click on add fund. I'll click on the deposit, this on-chain deposit. Then I'll click on the USDT. So when I click on the USDT, they said I should choose the Celo as the network. So I'll just go to my USDT and search for Celo. Okay, so this is Celo. I'll just click on this. Okay, so what I have to do now is to copy this address. Okay, so I'll just copy this address and come back to my mini app. Okay, Minipay app. Then I'll paste in the address over here, the Celo address. Then I'll enter the amount I want to withdraw. So you can see I have 82 USDT. I'll just enter the whole 82 and I'll click on continue. Okay, so verify selected address and network carefully before continue. Yes, you need to make sure your coin is USDT and your network is Celo. So as you can see, the coin is the USDT and the network is the Celo. So if everything is correct, I'll just click on continue to proceed. Okay, so I'll just click to verify that I understand that all transactions are final and cannot be reversed. Okay, so I'm withdrawing this 82 USDT to my Binance. Okay, so I'll just click on withdraw and I have successfully withdrawn the money. Okay, I've withdrawn the 82 USDT to my Binance account and we are done with this transaction. This is a very simple way to withdraw money from your Minipay app to your, you can see I just got a notification right now that I have received 82 USDT on my Binance account. Okay, so as I said, this is a very simple way to do it. And if this video helped you to send money to your Binance, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.